Alright guys, this is the $250 account right now. I am currently in a hedge for this trade, and we'll see how it plays out. Okay, so yes, sometimes I do have to hedge out, but it's a better hedging strategy than taking a full loss. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Alright guys, as you can see, we're still hedging out this account. Okay, once we're fully hedged out on this trade, we'll be right back. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to learn how to do this. You want to learn how to protect your accounts, save yourself from taking losses in the market, so that you can keep on trading with your accounts. Go to nnfxandcrypto.com if you want to buy the course. You also learn hedging there. You get the software that comes with the course that helps you to know when and where to hedge, and you know what to do when you're in this kind of problem, which will help you protect your account, help you compound, and help you keep growing instead of staying in the position or losing your whole account when something goes wrong. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm done with that hedging. Okay, and I was able to hedge out because we were in some kind of hedge. We took a buy and the market went into a sell, and we were able to hedge this out. Like, share, and subscribe. This is how you're meant to trade your accounts. This is how you're meant to protect your account. I keep on trying to help you guys. I have gotten a trading strategy that can help you guys make a lot of profits, protect your account. Some people, their accounts have been the same since they started trading it. Some people, their accounts have been in loss. They've been blowing their account. You do not need to blow your account. You cannot control the market. Okay, you should not try to control the market. Make your decision, either buy or sell, and if the market changes, protect your account. Okay, this is why you guys need to learn hedging. This is what the hedge funds are doing. This is what the banks are doing. You do not need to accept losses from the market. You do not need to blow your account. Simply hedge. The software that I have helped me do all the analysis I needed to do to help me know when and where to hedge, and the software comes with the course. It will be available on TradingView by next month. Like, share, and subscribe. You can see that we're still growing this account. We started at $250. We're at $400 right now. We're able to hedge out the loss of almost $200 to make some profits. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, you can go to nnfxandcrypto.com, and we'll be right back with another scalping video. We're trying to grow this account from $250 to 10,000 or 20,000 before we make a withdrawal. If you want to copy my scalp or swing trade signals for free, we're trying to get up to 100 members in a private group. All you have to do is join the broker that I'm using, Milga Markets, link in description below. Fund your account with at least $250 to $500. That's what you're going to need in your account to be able to copy my trades without having any issues. And then send me a screenshot and I'll add you to the group, and once we start giving signals, you will be there. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trading video soon.